Now students, we start exercise 4.1. So exercise 4.1. In this exercise, we start first question, that is check whether the following are quadratic equations. So in this one we have to check quadratic equation found or not. So first part we start, that is x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 into x minus 3. So 2 into x minus 3. Now simplify. A plus b whole square. A square means x square plus b square means 1 square plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1 equals to 2 into x, which is 2x minus 2 3 are 6. Transfer all terms in LHS. So we get x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x and plus 6 equals to 0. This 2x cancelled. So we get x square plus 1 and plus 6, that will be 7 equals to 0. Here the degree is 2, highest power is 2, because here x power is 2 and here x power is 0. So highest power is 2 means it is quadratic equation. So therefore it is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation. Now second part. Second part. No, I am solving third now. Second, do yourself. So third part is x minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3, x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now multiply. So x into x, that will be x square, plus x into 1, so it is plus x, minus 2 into x, so it is minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, so it is minus 2, equals to x into x, so it is x square, x into 3, so it is plus 3x, minus 1 into x, so it is minus x, minus 1 into 3, so it is minus 3. Now x square and x square are cancelled. Here left minus x minus 2 equals to 3x minus x, that is 2x, plus minus 3. Now transfer these terms, we separate here. So 0 equals to 2x minus 3 plus x plus 2. Now we get 2x plus x, that is 3x, minus 3 plus 2, so it is minus 1, equal to 0. Left side or right side both are equal, so we put here 0. Now it is not quadratic because the degree is 1. So therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Now remaining parts you have to do yourself. Only one part more we solve. So I am solving one cubic formula is there. So I am solving 7th part or 8th, both are same. So come to next part, that is I am solving 7th part. 7th part, question number 1, that is x plus 2 whole cube, a plus b whole cube identity is used here, equals to 2x into x square minus 1. 2x into x square minus 1. Now x plus 2 whole cube means a plus b whole cube. I am writing here identity. A plus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Clear? Or we can also simplify this, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a, that is 3a square b, plus 3ab into b, so it is plus 3ab square. Now we use here x plus 2 whole cube. In the place of a here it is x and in the place of b here it is 2. Now a cube, so it is x cube plus b cube, that is 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2, 3ab into a plus b, that means x plus 2, equals to 2x into x square, that is 2x cube minus 2x into 1, so it is 2x. Now simplify. X cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 to the 6x into x, so it is 6x square, 6x into 2, so it is 12x. Now transferring these terms, minus 2x cube and plus 2x will be equal to 0. Now what is left? X cube minus 2x cube, that is minus x cube, 6x square only term, so plus 6x square, the term of x, that is 12x plus 2x, so it will be 14x, and plus 8 equals to 0. We can also take common minus, so it will be x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 equals to 0, but not needed. Only we get that this is cubic equation, not the quadratic, because the degree is 3. So therefore it is not quadratic equation. Clear? Quadratic equation. Now remaining parts to yourself. Now I am moving next questions, that is second question. Now in the question 2, that is represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Quadratic equation के फॉर्म में हमें इसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है, सॉल्व नहीं करना है, रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So first part is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Now we assume that. So let that is be x meter. Now length will be, what is given? Length is 1 more than twice. So 1 more than 1 plus करना है, twice of that, so 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 meter is the length. Now area is given, so area of rectangle, that is product of L into B. So area of rectangular plot, that is L into B. L is 2x plus 1 into B is x, and it is given 528. So we can put equal to 528. Now simplify 2x into x, that will be 2x square. 2x into 1 into x plus x, or 528 transferred to LHS, that will be negative, equals to 0. This is first part done. Only you have to write in standard form. After this, some more parts are there. Second part is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. You can assume x and x plus 1. So x into x plus 1 equals to 306. Simplify yourself. Now third part I am solving. So third part is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Second question, third part. Rohan ki mother, Rohan is 26 years older. So if we assume Rohan's or Rahman's? Rohan's, okay. So let Rohan's age be x years, present age, and his mother's age will be, what is given, 26 years older. So his mother's age will be x plus 26, because it is elder 26 than Rohan. Rohan से 26 years older है, तो 26 plus करना होगा years. Now what is given in the second condition? The product of their ages, उनकी ages का product in years नहीं होगा, 3 years from now, 3 साल के बाद. So 3 years from now, दोनों की एज का प्रोडक्ट, हम अगर रोहन की एज फाइंड करें तो क्या आ जाएगा, x प्लस 3, और रोहन की मदर की एज अगर फाइंड करें x प्लस 26 और प्लस 3, और दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कितना गिवन है, प्रोडक्ट इज 360. क्लियर, इट इज गिवन, सो यू कैन राइट इट 18 अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. According to question, 3 years from now, after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3, his mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3. Now total product is given 360. Multiply now, x into x, that is x square, plus x into 26, so it is 26x. We can also solve it 29. So x into 3, that is 3x, plus 3 into x, that is 3x, plus 3 into 26, that is 78, 3 into 3, that is 9, equals to 360 can be transferred to LHS, so it will be minus, equals to 0. Now simplify, x square plus 26 plus 3, 29 plus 3, that is 32x. 78 plus 9, 87, minus 360, so it will be 273 minus. So minus 273 equals to 0. This is third part. Now last part I am solving. Fourth part is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Uniform speed पे 480 km ट्रेन चल रही है. If the speed had been 8 km/h less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. 3 घंटे ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Now, so we assume the speed of train. So let speed of train be x km/h. We assume the speed is x km/h. 1 hour में x kilometer distance cover कर रहा है. Now distance is given 480 km, so we can find the time. So time, that is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 480 upon speed is x, so it is 480 upon x, unit will be r. Now after this 8 km/h less speed कम हो रही है, so new speed will be found. So new speed, that will be x plus 8. 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर इंक्रीज कर दिया. Now time also changes. So new time will be found. So new time will be distance same रहेगा 480 upon it is x minus 8 not x plus 8. 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर डिक्रीज हो रहा है, लेस हो रहा है ना, 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर लेस, तो माइनस होगा. Now it is upon x minus 8. Distance upon new speed. Distance same रहेगा, speed change हो गया. Unit is r. Now what is given in the question after this? 8 km per hour less. Then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Same distance cover करने के लिए 3 hours ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. कौन सा ज़्यादा टाइम होगा? This one. Means this new time is 3 hours more than previous time. So 80 cube 480 upon x minus 8 equals to 480 upon x plus 3, because this time is 3 hours more than this one. So we have to add here 3. Now simplify, take LCM and cross multiply. So it will be 480 upon x minus 8 equals to, x is the LCM, so 480 plus 3x. Now cross multiply. So we can solve cross multiply 480 into x, that will be 480x, multiply करेंगे. So 480x equals to x into 480, that will be again 480x, x into 3x, that is 3x square, minus 8 into 480, so it is minus 800, it is 64, 6, 8, 32 and 6, 38, 3840, minus 8 into 3x, minus 24x. Now 480x is cancelled here, so it will be left 0. So we can put 0 equals to 3, common we can take, so x square, minus this term we will put first, so minus 8x, minus 3, 1 is 3, 2 is 6, 8, 1 to 8, 0. Now 3 goes can divide, so we can write it x square minus 8x minus 1280 will be 0 upon 3, that will be 0. So this is your answer. Now this exercise is finished.